Good morning, my dear children. Today we are going to discuss about that acidic properties. The hydrogen halides are extremely soluble in water due to the ionization. Page number 88, P block element 2.
Acidic property. What is about the acidic property? Hydrogen halide, I am taken as HEX, and reacts with water molecule, we get H3O plus X minus. H3O plus hydronium ion. Am I right? Hydronium ion. Here, this we are saying the hydrogen halides are as an acidic and also known as hydrohalic acid. That is a hydrochloric, hydrobromic, hydroiodic. These are all some example. These are all acids. That is a hydrochloric acid, hydrobromic acid, hydroiodic acid are almost completely ionized. Therefore, they are strong acid. That is a HCl, HBr, HA. These are all strong acid. But HF is a weak acid. Weak acid. HF, hydrogen fluoride, is one of the weak acid. That is 0.1 mm solution is only 10% ionized. But in 5 15 m solution, HF is a stronger acid due to the equilibrium, that is undergoes both the forward and backward reaction. For example, hydrogen fluoride reacts with the water, we get H3O plus F minus. HF plus F minus gives HF2 minus. At high concentration, the equilibrium involves the removal of fluoride ion. It affects the dissociation of hydrogen fluoride and increases and the hydrogen ions concentration. Here we are having some of the salt, stable salt, due to the reaction between hydrogen with the fluorine, and some of the metals, we get stable salt, one of the stabilized form of salt. That is sodium hydrogen fluoride, NaHF2, potassium, like that, KHF2, and ammonium, NH4HF2. Sodium hydrogen fluoride, potassium hydrogen fluoride, and ammonium hydrogen fluoride. These are all some stable compounds due to the reaction, that's a dissociation of hydrogen fluoride with water. Am I right? Next, hydrohalic acid also show the acidic property. It also forms salt with acid bases, and also it reacts with metal to form hydrogen gas. Moist hydrofluoric acids rapidly reacts with silica and glass. One of the very important equation is there, my dear children, one of the very important equation. One of the silica combines with hydrogen fluoride. The silica reacts with the fluorine to form SiF4, silica tetrafluoride. And also we get water molecules. How can you balance the equation? SiO2 plus HF gives SiF4 plus H2O. The products are having 4 fluorine, so the reactant side make it 4 HF. So how much hydrogen is there on the reactant side? 4, so make it 2 on the product side, 2 H2O. Now the equation is balanced. Next, again we are taking sodium silicate formula Na2SiO3. Na2SiO3 reacts with hydrogen fluoride. We get Na2SiF6 plus we get water molecule. Here how much fluorine is there? Product side 6 fluorine, so make it the reaction side also 6 HF. How much oxygen is there? The reactant side 3, so make it 3 water molecules. Now the equation is balanced. Next, about the oxidation reaction. Hydrogen iodide is easily oxidized to iodine. Hence it acts as a reducing agent. That is, Hi gives equilibrium, one of the equilibrium reaction we get 2H plus I2 plus. Here 2H plus means loss of 2 electron. So make it 2 electron minus loss of 2 electron. Reactant side make it 2 also, 2Hi. The acidic solution of iodines is readily oxidized. And one of the very important one-word question. During this reaction, the liberation of iodine, which gives a blue-black coloration with the starch. What is the color here? Blue-black. Am I right? Blue-black coloration with starch. That is, iodine gives a blue-black coloration with the starch. Don't forget that is one of the very important one word. Hydrogen bromide is more difficult to oxidize as we are comparing hydrogen iodide. Here hydrogen bromide slowly reduced sulfuric acid to SO2, sulfuric acid. What is the formula of sulfuric acid? Previously we learned that sulfuric acid H2SO4. It is slowly reduced into SO2. Slowly reduced into SO2. Am I right? How can you write the equation? HBr reacts with sulfuric acid. That is H2SO4 gives. Hydrogen bromide is converted to Br2 plus SO2. That is sulfuric acid is reduced into SO2. And also we get water molecules. Br2. How much Br is there? 2 Br. So make it the reactant side. 2 HBr. And about that water molecules here having reactant side 2 hydrogen. 2 plus 2 4. So make it 2 and the product side 2 H2O. Equation is balanced. Next. Hydrogen iodide is reduced sulfuric acid into hydrogen sulfide. Sulfuric acid into hydrogen sulfide. But this cannot be converted into sulfuric acid into SO2. Only one possible, it can be hydrogen iodide can be rapidly reduced by sulfuric acid into hydrogen sulfide, not sulfur dioxide, hydrogen sulfide. The equation is very, very important, okay? Equation. How can you write the equation? First we have to take hydrogen fluoride. That is HF on reacts with the sulfuric acid. We get water molecules. That is before that, which product first we get? How to write hydrogen sulfide H2S plus water molecules H2O plus hydrogen sulfide, that is iodine. Am I right? Having iodine, that also you have to write iodine I2. How can you balance the equation? The reactant side having how much oxygen in sulfuric acid? 4. So make the product side 4 water molecules. Next, 4 water molecules means the reactant side they're having 8 hydrogen and also 2 hydrogen having. So 10 water molecules. So make it reactant side 8 hydrogen iodide. So 8 plus 2, 10 over. Now how much iodine is there? 8 iodine means you can write 4I2. H2SO also balanced. Next about one of the important point. The reducing property of hydrogen iodide. It also can be explained by the using of its reaction with alcohols in the ethane. Alcohols in the ethane we have in our organic chemistry lesson. We can be discussed that time. Okay. Next, nitric acid to nitrous acid. And also dinitrogen dioxide and aluminum. These are all previously we learned that one. Except only alcohols in the ethane. We have the organic chemistry. That time they have a lot of equation how to discuss. Next about hydrogen chloride is unaffected by concentrated sulfuric acid, but affected by only strong oxidizing agent like MnO2, potassium permanganate or potassium chloride. Next, one of the 2-mark question about one of the table form properties, about the properties and order. The reactivity of hydrogen. What is about the reactivity of hydrogen? It is decreases from fluorine to iodine. We previously discussed. Stability also same like that. Decreases from HF to HI. And the volatility of hydrides. That is about that. First is about that HCl. So we have to write the reverse order. HF, HI, HBr, ICl is less than. Am I right? You have to write. Thermal stability. HF, HI, HBr, ICl. You have to write greater than. Boiling point. ICl, HBr, HI less than. Acidic strength increases from HF to HI. Just one of the 2-mark question. Try to learn this question.